Aquverse A6500K hot-cold bottleless water cooler with filter and install kit. A good-looking, affordable, and durable option, the A6500 is also the best Aquverse bottleless water cooler. It dispenses both cold between 35 and 38 degrees Fahrenheit and hot water 180 degrees Fahrenheit after passing it through a carbon filter that can process up to 750 gallons before requiring replacement. The Aquverse runs on a highly efficient LG hermetically-sealed spring-mounted compressor. It has an automatic protector against overloads and a dual float backup system to prevent leaks. It cools the water by convection and heats it with the help of internal heating coils. The cold and hot water tanks are polished with 304 electro stainless steel. The refrigerant lines are made of copper. With a dishwasher-safe drip tray and a child safety protection for the hot water faucet, this Aquverse promises to be a viable long-term investment that you can live with the fact that its water filter is a single stage and cold water temperature adjustable.